Now, welcome class 9 students. Almost in the concluding days of your classes. And in this class, we are going to take mixed questions, some important theorems and questions from geometry. So one of the most important theorem, that is the midpoint theorem. I will take the revision of this midpoint theorem. Now this midpoint theorem tells us that line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of it. This is one of the most important theorem in the class. Now you can transform this statement into the pictorial form. Here given that ABC is a triangle, D is the midpoint of AB and C is the midpoint of AC. Join DC.
Sir, E.
D. Given D and E are the midpoint of AB and AC of triangle ABC. To prove DE is parallel to BC, and second, DE is half of BC. इसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन करना पड़ता है बच्चों. Produce DE up to F such that EF is equal to DE join CF. अब इस DE को हम कहां तक बढ़ाएंगे? F तक. इस कंडीशन में कि EF is equal to D and join CF. तो आपका पहला स्टेप और ट्रिक रहेगा, you have to make these two triangles complementary. In triangle AED and triangle CEF, तीन फैक्ट हमको लेने हैं कॉन्ग्रुएंट करने के लिए. रो 1 से 10 से राइट हैंड साइड से. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट फैक्ट? बोलिए. DE is equal to EF. What is the reason? Not given. From construction. Second reason, from middle row. Any other school or this one?
Sir, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 vertically to positive.
Where is 1? Where is 2? रट्टा मार के आया क्या? Where is angle 1 in the figure? रट्टा मार के आया हो क्या? Angle AED is equal to angle CEF. अगर नहीं करना चाहते तो you have to give the notation here. तब angle 1 is equal to angle 2 आप लिखिएगा. कहां से angle 1 का angle 2 लिख दिया तुम? हाँ? Now you can write here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because they are vertically opposite angles. रट्टा मार के आया angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Third fact. Third row. It is very accurate. Very good. AE is equal to CEQ.
Because E is the midpoint.
Because it is given. Because it is given. Now, triangle AED is congruent to triangle CEF because of SAS. Now I would like to discuss some facts what we have proved. What facts we have got? These two triangles are congruent, which means this angle A is equal to angle
C.
Why?
CPC.
CPCT. Angle DAE is equal to angle
FCE.
Angle FCE because of, but by nature they are appear to alternate interior angle. But they are alternate interior angles. Then when you find that in a condition when alternate interior angles are equal, so the lines will be parallel. In that condition we can write here AB is parallel to CF. AB is parallel to FC. या अब यहाँ लिखते हैं AB is parallel to FC. इससे हम लोग लिख सकते हैं कि BD is parallel to CF. इससे हमको मिल जाएगा BD is parallel to CF. This is equation number 1. Again, one more fact that we can obtain by making these two triangles congruent. That AD is equal to CF. We can get AD is equal to CF by CPCT. But we have given that AD is equal to DB. We have given AD is equal to DB. It is given. From this two we can get here that BD is equal to CF. This is equation number 2. One tells us that BD is parallel to CF, and equation number 2 tells us that
BD is
parallel to
equal to
So, if in a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then what result that we are getting? That quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Then you can write here from equation 1 and 2, BDFC. BDFC is a parallelogram. Got it? Now, if it is a parallelogram, then the first part is automatically prove that DE is parallel to
BC.
BC मिल गया हमको. DE is parallel to BC. We got it. Now we have to find the relation that DE is half of BC. Now, since it is a parallelogram, then opposite sides are equal. Then we can write here that BC is equal to DL. हम लोग सीखते हैं DF is equal to BC. लिख सकते हैं ना? This DF can be written as DE plus EF is equal to BC. What is the relation between DE and EF?
Both are equal.
Both are equal by construction.
Yes, sir.
हमने क्या किया? We produce DE up to F such that EF is equal to DE. मैंने लिखा था. ये तो equal हो गया. So here, in the place of EF, may I write DE?
Yes, sir.
And that is equal to DE plus DE is equal to BC. Then write here 2DE is equal to BC. Then you can write here DE is equal to half BC. ये proof हो गया हमारा? ये this one and this one. Then you can write here proof. जो हमको चाहिए तो वो हमारा proof हो गया. समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
One more question I am going to explain. That is also very important question. If diagonals of a parallelogram are equal and bisect each other at 90 degrees, then we have to prove that it is a square. It is a square. And only if the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other at 90 degrees, then in that condition we have to prove it that it is a rhombus. Which question you want? Rhombus or square? This is one important question, that if diagonals of a parallelogram bisect at 90 degrees, it is a रोमबस। ये हमको प्रूव करना है। तो हम सबसे पहले रोमबस ही का फिगर बना लेंगे बच्चों। What we have given? A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. AB and AC and BD bisect at 90 degree. To prove ABCD is a अब देखो बच्चों, I will do explain all the total question, but solve only 25% of it. And on the basis of 25%, you have to solve the remaining 75% on the basis of the understanding which I explain and discuss with you. करना क्या है हमको बच्चों कि इसमें हमको क्या कर देना है, किसी भी एडजेसेंट साइड को हमको क्या कर देना है, इक्वल कर देना है, ठीक है ना। अब देखिए प्रूफ in triangle AOD and AOB. In triangle AOD and AOB, हमको तीन फैक्ट चाहिए, सही ना बच्चों। पहला फैक्ट क्या आपको बताओ उधर से। वेरी गुड, ये लड़की बहुत स्मार्ट है, बहुत अच्छा है।
OD is equal to OB.
OD is equal to OB. क्यों? The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. इजी आ गया मिडिल रो से। हाँ।
Sir, the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree.
क्या what fact are you giving to me? कौन सा fact आप मुझे दे रहे हो?
Sir, DOC is equal to AOB.
DOC, इसमें DOC कहाँ से आ गया दो ट्रायंगल में? DOA is equal to BOA. BOA is equal to angle BOA is equal to 90 degree. It is 0. Third fact. Very good. AO is equal to AO, that is. So triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB because of SAS, which means AB is equal to AB. Okay, because of CB. So if in a parallelogram adjacent sides are equal, which means all sides are equal. क्योंकि ये दोनों तो बराबर है ही, जब ये दोनों बराबर है तो चारों बराबर हो गए, ये दोनों पहले से बराबर था। तो देखिए in parallelogram ABCD adjacent sides are equal, so ABCD is a got this.